Hi guys, so today we're having a look at another product from the Revolution Plex line. This is the number 10 product, the Liquid Gloss or Bond Restore Lamellar Water. So it's £10 for 150 millilitres. With my length of hair, this is possibly going to be a single use, which is a bit steep for Revolution. But if you have short hair, you would get more uses out of it, I guess. It's just that I've got a reasonable amount of hair. So the instructions are under the bit here, and despite the space that they take up, there's not really much to it. A lightweight water formula to apply to wet hair after shampooing. Use the pointed nozzle to target roots and saturate through the roots towards the end. Massage into hair and allow to soak in and rinse. Follow with conditioner. So there's not any time they say to soak it in for. I'm probably going to do my usual of pottering about and washing my face and shaving my legs, and excuse my skin just now, it's just quite aggravated. I'm also just in from the park and it's been quite windy, so it's a little bit redder than normal, but bear with me. Hopefully when I come back it'll be a little bit calmer, because I'll have done some skincare and things. So we're going to try this out. So it's just like a twist cap, partially a twist cap. It's weird. So you twist it to take it off, but you kind of have to push it to put it on. It's strange. So it's got the nozzle. It's got the same smell as I remember from the rest of the products. I haven't had the shampoo and conditioner for a while, but maybe I'll get them again because I do quite miss them. So anyway, I'm going to go and have a shower. Shampoo wise, I've got the Honey I Washed My Hair solid shampoo bar from Lush. And then I'll just use, I think, Tresemme conditioner I've got in there just now. But I mean, you can see my hair is not its shiniest. Strength wise, it's okay. I mean, moisturiser wise, we're a little bit on the tufty side, because I bleached to try and get that blue dye out of my hair. So yeah, we'll see what we're left with after this. We'll see what kind of difference it makes and how much of it I use as well, and whether I think it's worth the £10. I don't know why I'm so shocked. I've loved everything else in this range, but this is quite smooth and happy my hair looks. I mean, I swear to God, I put this in my hair and I didn't even feel like I needed conditioner. It's just, it felt like silk when I was trying to rinse it out. And I was totally wrong about how much of this I would use. I've used just over a third of a bottle. Ignore the chip nails, by the way. I'm about to go down and do some dishes, so there's no point in taking it off, because at the moment it'll protect my nails and it'll probably be worse at the time I'm finished. Anyway, oh my god. I wish I could rig up my shower to use this instead of normal water. I cannot explain just how soft and light my hair feels, how easy it was to brush through today, and yeah. I did end up using a different conditioner than I mentioned, by the way, but it's still one that I've been using for a while and I'm familiar with. It was the Beauty Bay one that I reviewed a while ago, because I realised that I'm trying to make this blue fade, and the Tresemme one I had was a colour care one, so bad plan. But yeah, okay. Taking back the comment about thinking I was going to go through all of this, I could get maybe 3 uses out of this. Absolutely 100% worth it. If you've got a special occasion that you're planning on wearing your hair down for, this is just going to make it so smooth and sleek. I think it's so smooth and sleek that if you were wanting to put your hair up, it might actually work against you. But yeah, certainly if you've got damage to your hair or you want it just smoothed out for a special occasion, this. Absolutely this. I thought this was like a daft thing, but no, I will 100% be using this again and buying it again when it's empty. I'm probably going to end up rebuying the whole range when I have a job again. I have an interview tomorrow, fingers crossed. So yeah, 100% in the goodbye category. If you've got any questions, leave those down below and I'll get back to you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.